In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make rap music with Suno AI in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're an aspiring artist or just curious to mix things up with some digital creativity, this process is incredibly straightforward and fun to follow. Let's dive in without any further ado. First things first, you'll need to log in to Suno AI Music. If you haven't already created an account, you can easily sign up on their website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard, which is your launchpad for all musical creations within Suno. Next, look out for the Create button on the interface. It's usually prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Clicking this will guide you into the music creation section where all the magic happens. Now, to unlock a wider array of tools, make sure to toggle on Custom Mode. This feature gives you access to advanced options, allowing more control over your musical output. It's the perfect way to tailor your track, especially if you have a specific vision in mind. When it comes to lyrics, you have two options. If you're feeling inspired, go ahead and write your own lyrics. Once you've penned down your text, simply paste them into the lyrics box within Custom Mode. But if you're stuck on lyrical ideas, don't worry. Suno AI can step in to craft lyrics based on the style you define, thanks to its sophisticated AI capabilities. Just sit back and let the technology provide a lyrical framework for you. Next is quite an exciting part. You'll want to inform the AI about the genre you're going for. In the Style of Music box, you'll enter specific tags that lead the AI towards a rap or hip-hop vibe. These tags could include words like urban, beats, or gritty. The more specific you are about the style, the more accurate the AI will be in tailoring the track to fit your needs. Having entered all your details, it's time to create your piece. Hit the Create button once again. Now, Suno will work its algorithmic magic and provide you with a few different versions of your rap track. It's an exhilarating step because it allows you to hear the diverse possibilities generated from the same set of inputs. From there, you can listen to each version and pick the one that best resonates with your musical vision. And there you have it, your very own rap creation made effortlessly with Suno AI. Feel free to tweak and experiment with different elements until you've got the perfect track. Remember, music is all about expression, so let your creativity flow. Thanks for tuning in today, and we hope you enjoy the process of creating music with Suno.